Hello students, today we will see 50 questions on chemistry which are useful for your all competitive exam. These questions are very important for your competitive exam. Then we will practice some MCQs. So let's start. First question is, which compound used in fire extinguisher? That is carbon dioxide. Compound used in photographic plate: silver bromide. Liquid metal: mercury. Liquid non-metal: bromine. Next, burn with white dazzling light. White dazzling light, that is magnesium ribbon. Radioactive inert gas: radon. Modern periodic table on the basis of atomic number. Modern periodic table discovered by Henry Moseley. Next, elements have same atomic number but different mass number. That are called isotopes. Elements have same mass number but different atomic number, just opposite to the previous question. That's are called isobars. Elements have same Newton's number, isotones. Hydrogen discovered by Henry Cavendish. Oxygen discovered by Joseph Priestley. White gold is called to platinum. Gains of electrons called reduction reaction, and loss of electrons is called oxidation reaction. Next, green color in fireworks due to barium. Which metals are called soft metals? That is sodium, and another one potassium. Chemical used in oil painting: hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Next, chemical formula of urea, that is CONH2 whole 2. CONH2 and whole 2. Failure of zinc, that is zinc oxide. It is also called philosopher's wool. Zinc oxide. Most malleable metal, that is gold. Symbol of the gold, AU. Non-metal but conductor of electricity, that is graphite. Next, purest form of iron, wrought iron. Next, galvanized iron is coated with which? That is zinc. Chemical used for killing rats: zinc phosphide. Next, chemical name of bleaching powder, that is calcium hypochlorite. You have to remember also the symbol CaOCl. Best conductor of electricity, silver, Ag. Radium is extracted from ore, pitchblende. Radium is a radioactive element and it is extracted from ore, pitchblende. Next, vinegar chemical name. Chemical name of vinegar, that is acetic acid. Symbol CH3COOH. The heaviest element, osmium. TNT, full form trinitrotoluene. Sorry, nitrogen, not nitrogen. This is trinitrotoluene. It is used as explosive. Next, isotopes used for determining age of fossils, that is carbon C14. Chemical used in matchstick, red phosphorus. First organic compound prepared in laboratory. Organic compound, that is urea. Chemical used for water purification, bleaching powder and chlorine. Chloroform used as anesthetic. Full form of DDT, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Aspirin's chemical name, very important, acetyl salicylic acid. In aqueous solution, acid gives H plus ion. Base gives OH minus ion. Water does not give leathers with soap, that is called hard water, and opposite to that, water gives leather with soap, that is called soft water. Next, water gas. Water gas is the combination of carbon monoxide CO and hydrogen H2. Producer gas is the combination of carbon monoxide and nitrogen N2. Next, limestone on heating gives which gas? That is carbon dioxide gas. Dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. Laughing gas. Nitrous oxide. You have to remember the molecular formula also, N2O, that is nitrous oxide. Now we will practice some MCQs. How many isotopes are there of hydrogen? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right answer, 3 isotopes. This is normal hydrogen or deuterium. This is deuterium and this is tritium. 3 isotopes. Among them you have to remember that this one is radioactive. Next, which is the best conductor of electricity? Aluminium, copper, silver and gold. The right answer is silver. Best conductor of electricity. Next, which is the most malleable metal? Zinc, copper, silver and gold. Most malleable metal is gold, Au. Galvanized iron is coated with zinc, silver, tin and copper. Right answer, option A, zinc. Green color in fireworks due to sodium, magnesium, barium and boron. Right answer, barium. Philosopher's wool is called to zinc nitrate, zinc oxide, zinc carbonate and zinc sulfate. The right answer, zinc oxide, ZNO, that is called philosopher's wool. That's all for today.